Today we're working on this Chevrolet 3500 HD. The second truck we did in a couple days here, working inside. We've done a complete inside and out. And now the next step is we're going to be giving it a one-step polish using a Rupes Advanced one-step. Combine that with my Milwaukee rotary polisher with a waffle pad on it. Should bring this thing up to sparkle. For me, I can see a bit of scratching and micro marring and lines and that. Let's see if we can take care of it with this rotary. Lowest setting, 800 RPM. Still a little evident here. And guys, that is gone. Brilliant shine. Nice work. So I think my pad combination and polish is good. So I'll continue doing the rest of this panel. So guys, I'm polishing this car and I see right here, hopefully you can see it. So it's called a dust nib. It's in the paint, it's in the clear coat. It's textured, it's sticking up. What I have here is a nib eraser. So you go on the nib, give it a couple back and forth fairly lightly, and the nib is now here. And it's actually turned into a fisheye. So what a fisheye is where it's concave, not convex. A little bit of aggressive polishing there, smoothed it right out. For those who don't know, nibs are when they're painting the vehicle. If a piece of dust lands on the vehicle, during any of the paint layers, usually you see it on the final clear coat. It leaves a little bump, like a little piece of dust that's permanently stuck in the paint. And during manufacture, usually they take care of them there, but on some vehicles, like a work truck like this one on the roof, they're not too diligent in removing nibs. So what I have there is a little, it's like a tiny little file that files down the nib, and you can remove them like a couple strokes and then polish it off to make it look shiny. Anyways, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Until the next one.